y is equal to sine square 4x plus 1 half cosine 8x. So, ganito yan boy, i-derive natin. So, y prime is equal to, gamitin natin siya ng power rule, 2 sine 4x multiplied by the derivative of sine 4x, which is derivative of sine is equal to cosine u, the derivative of u. So, cosine, copy natin si u, which is 4x. So, multiplied by the derivative of u, which is derivative of 4x, which is 4, plus 1 half, copy lang natin si 1 half, derivative ni cosine 8x, which is negative sine u multiplied by the derivative of u. So, negative sine, copy lang natin si u, 8x multiplied by the derivative of u, which is 8. Next naman natin, simplify natin, 4 times 2, which is 8, tapos multiply lang natin, magiging sine 4x, cosine 4x, plus, multiply natin, 8 times 1, 8, 8 over 2, so, multiplied by negative sine 8x, so, simplify lang natin ito. Copy lang natin itong first term kasi na-simplify naman na, plus 8 over 2, which is 4 times negative sine 8x, magiging negative 4 sine 8x. So, dito sa first term natin, apply natin yung rule sa trigonometry, which is 2 cosine x multiplied by sine x is equal to sine 2x. So, itong 4 kailangan natin gawing 2. So, ang gagawin natin, i-factor out natin si 4 para maging 2 na lang siya. So, pag factor out si 4, maging 2 cosine 4x sine 4x na lang siya. Copy lang natin si negative sine 8x dito. Tapos, gagawin natin sine 2x yan kasi equivalent naman sila. So, 4, copy lang natin si 4 multiplied by sine. Copy natin si sine 2x. So, ang x natin is 4x. So, 4x times 2 is equal to 8x. So, copy lang natin tong kabilang term dito. Ayan na siya. So, 4 sine 8x minus 4 sine 8x is equal to 0. So, yan na yung sagot.